Hi, my name's Luke Fillion. I'm out of Lancaster, New Hampshire, way up in the Great North Woods. My wife and I had bought this house here in Lancaster about 2 years ago. We had a nice pool. The kids loved it. Everything was great. However, the concrete was a little rough. And when I say little, it was very rough. The paint was chipping. There were some concerns about slippage. So we decided to look into different options. And I gave Granite State Epoxy a call. And very quickly they got back to me. And within a few days, Austin had come up out of his way to come up here to give us some options. And I'm so glad he did. We picked out a pebble quartz epoxy, which is being implemented right now. It was a great choice putting it in, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And now my kids won't be slipping when the concrete gets wet. This is going to add a lot of value to the pool. So very happy with what I see. Without a doubt, I recommend Granite State Epoxy and the guys that work there. Great customer service, all the way from the person on the phone to the people who come up here to do the work. No doubts about it.